Welcome. Today we're going to learn about the infection control cycle and how it impacts you. Infection and the control of infection follows a cycle. Once you understand it, you'll have the tools to help break this cycle. Let's explore how diseases spread and, most importantly, how we can stop them. There are 6 defined steps to the infection control cycle, also known as the chain of infection. The first step is the microorganism. Bacteria, viruses, or other organisms must exist in order to create infections. Here's a picture of a bacteria, which is one type of microorganism. This step is also known as the infectious agent. The next step is the reservoir, or the source. Microorganisms can't survive on their own. They need a place to live and grow. For example, meet Betty, who is feeling unwell. A bacterium inside Betty is using her body as its reservoir, making her feel sick. Third, an infectious agent needs to exit the source it is living on to infect a new person. This is known as the port of exit. In our previous example, the bacteria is living in Betty's lungs, and if she coughs or sneezes, it can now exit her body to infect a new person. The fourth link in the chain of infection is the mode of transmission. This refers to all the ways an infection can spread. In our example, Betty sneezed, spreading her infection through respiratory droplets when she sneezes. The fifth step in the cycle is the portal of entry, which is how the infectious agent enters the next person's body. In this case, the bacteria that left Betty's body can now enter our second patient, George, as shown here. Finally, the patient must be a susceptible host for the infection to take hold. In this case, George has contracted the bacteria from Betty. He may become ill and, in turn, could go through the 6 steps of the infection cycle to spread the bacteria to someone else. We have now discussed the 6 steps of the infection control cycle. Our next videos will look at each step in detail.